and the screen changes. And as we see, there are no events yet, and the timeline is empty, and the map of event is empty, and the list of all events is empty. So, but let me quickly create an event for this project. I return to the project, and I click here on Add New Event. And the first event in a project should be the kickoff workshop. I can put in the start date. And I put in the people joining in at the kickoff workshop. Location is at our offices. Another rich text field which can take whatever you think is necessary as input. For example, an agenda you could put in there. Okay, so this is now the newly created event, and here are our people attending. Here it says it's an event for our Yahoo project. Here we have the location, and we can add additional content or documents to it. Now let me show you how this looks like in the calendar. I do a refresh. Okay, and as we see, the projects calendar shows now all events relevant for the project team in a timeline. Like this here, this is our kickoff workshop. And also it shows the events in a map. And each team member will also get informed about the new events on their personal pages. We return now to the project and set up the final thing, which is the task list. I start this with creating a task list for the project. I can type in here a text, or I simply save it. Now the wiki is ready to keep book about the team's task for this project. And let me enter a task and assign it to a particular person. Let's say somebody is in charge of collecting risks for the Yahoo project. Here I can enter some dates when he's supposed to finish with it. Percentage complete is 0, not completed, and I assign it to Kai. Here I can enter information about the task. Also, I can attach another document to it, which will help Kai making a good job. And I save it. Now the article is reloaded, and we have associated to this particular task a document. And now you might ask, how does Kai know that he has a new task? That's quite easy. After logging in, he comes to his personal page, which is this one. And in his personal page, he has all the info aggregated he needs to know: his projects, his events, his tasks, and even a list of friends he has in the company. And this information ensures that important tasks and events are not falling off the table. The project managers can also get an easy overview of what's going on. And therefore, let's open the project dashboard in the tree view. Here in the project dashboard, we get everything aggregated, and we can even drill down to single projects. Here we have the list of all projects, all the tasks, and a map with all the events. And for example, the master task list gives you an overview of all the tasks, including their percentage of completion, their status, the assignees. And we can continue drilling down and look for all the tasks for the project we have entered. Let me refresh it. Okay, so this is the first task we have entered for Kai. And you see, not even a timeline is displayed here, but also a bar chart showing the percentage of completion, etc. So the project has been set up, and the team can work on it. And before coming to the end of the demo, I show you how to reuse this data in a personal productivity tool like MS Excel. So what we want to do here is to exactly import this table for reuse into MS Excel. This is really easy. You just open MS Excel, and if you have installed our bridge, our MS Excel bridge, you will find here a button. You click on it, and this little add-on to MS Excel opens. And this add-on allows you to attach to a particular wiki and to create and manage queries for that wiki. And this is what we do here. I take a prepared query for our wiki, I execute it, and I select the data here. We get a title, description, assignee, and the name of the particular tasks of this project. And I simply click on copy to Excel cell, and I have it introduced here in my spreadsheet. And I can make now a nice project report for my management. And that's it. That's actually live data from the wiki, and you can easily also update it. Before finishing our second webinar, let me briefly tell you about some key features of SMW+. It comes with a graphical installer tool for Windows XP servers or desktop machines, and it includes all software needed for a head start for your team. This is the data model and a web-based GUI for immediate access for a team from anywhere. And the software comes with full content management system functionality, the rich text editor, a media upload, and forms for controlled data entry. It has an easy tagging system for semantic tags, and you can get more information about that tagging system if you look at the recording of the first webinar. It has a graphical query builder to generate tables, lists, or diagrams from semantic tags, and it has easy to use tools for changing the data model on the fly. For reusing data, we are offering our Microsoft Excel bridge to include data into worksheets. This is what you saw today. And if you have legacy systems providing web services, then you can employ our web service connector framework, which comes with SMW+, and tap any data provided by external web services. And finally, if you want to do advanced reasoning, then you can use our triple store connector, which gives you enhanced reasoning capabilities in SMW+. How can you benefit from SMW+? If you are already using MediaWiki or SMW, then upgrade to SMW+ by downloading our free Halo extension from SourceForge. If you want to give SMW+ a try, then go to this URL, smwdemo.enterprise.com, and try it out. No registration is needed for that. If you want to deploy SMW+ for your team on a server, then go to our shop and simply download your copy and deploy it. And apart from that, if you need custom programming or professional support or consulting, then simply contact us. If you want to find more information about our software, then go to our product homepage on wiki.enterprise.com or join in our user forum, which is on smwforum.enterprise.com, and there you can find tips and tricks and user manuals and much more stuff on how to use SMW+. So thank you very much for attending this second webinar, and I'm looking forward to see you next week, Thursday, 6:00 p.m. German time, for our third webinar, which is about the rich media editing capabilities and content management system functionalities of SMW+. So goodbye.